Hey everybody! Today I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like to pack what I'm calling a one-night bag. So the one-night bag. This is a bag that we are packing. So because of the way this trip is working out, we're going to be staying with a family member the first night before we head down to Florida for reasons that I really don't want to share. So this is what it looks like whenever we do a one-night bag. Now normally each of the kids and myself and my husband would put all of our undergarments in one bag and extra socks and all that in one bag, and then just the clothes would go in these bags. When we do an overnight bag, everything you need for a full change of clothes goes in there. So this is a really super quick video. So let's just make this really simple. Each person, and I'll just share mine. This is the 4 girls and myself for now. It's not fully finished because Matt is really minimalistic with his clothes, which I'm totally fine with. He packs last minute and I'm okay with that because everybody else is already done by then, and then it's just his and we can just focus on his. So his isn't in here yet, but it will be within the next probably 24, 48 hours. So here's what we do. So this is pajamas for me. And this is day wear for me. So what is in this bag is clothes that are comfortable for riding down in. And I think you've already seen them in the suitcase videos by this point of what is in each person's suitcase. And there was an outfit I said was day 2 because technically day 1 we're leaving our house that day. So we started the packing videos at day 2. So for day 2, what we're looking at, what I packed for this bag was clothes that are comfortable for wearing in a long day in the car, but also if we decide to get out at Buc-ee's, because we're going to Buc-ee's on the way down, then we still have something that's not super embarrassing that we can wear in public in front of people. So for me, this is a tunic that it's a little bit longer of a shirt, and then super comfortable leggings. And it also has any other clothing needs that I would have with it. And then this one right here is a pair of pajamas that are comfortable to wear for whether it's hot or whether it's cold. Like I said, super short, easy video, but I decided to go ahead and share this so that you guys could get kind of a picture of how I do this. Like I said, individually wrapped envelopes, do one per person, do one with the whole outfit, literally everything you need. And the other thing you see here is we don't have shoes in here. Whatever shoes they wear on day 1, they're going to wear on day 2. All of their dressy shoes are already in their other suitcase. And what makes this easier is that the person we're staying with the first night is also the person we're staying with as soon as we get back from the Wish. So that way, this suitcase will just stay at that house. And when we went to Canada, this is the same concept, except we took the suitcase back from Canada, but then we didn't need those clothes for the rest of the trip. So yeah, make it super easy. Label them with each person's name, put their whole outfits on here, and put everything they need in a bag. And then you can just seal it up and you're ready to go. That's it for today's video. Just super short. Like I said, I just wanted to share what it looks like because I kind of felt like I did a really bad job for Canada, explaining this process. So like I said, I just wanted to show you again. That's it for today's video. You guys, I'm super excited. We're leaving in a few days and I'm looking forward to spending some time with my family in the Bahamas. But that's it for today and celebrating all of our big things. Thank you to all our members for supporting this content and let's continue making videos. And thank you to every single one of you for liking, watching, positive comments, and subscribing. And we'll see you next time.